Happy Valentine's Day. Would you like to see your Valentine's gift?
Glowing ball. No, wait, it's not even glowing ball, it's glow ball.
Well, I hate to ruin this, but I kind of already have this.
Oh, well, you can have 2 sets. I
Glow
wasn't
ball
sure what
again.
you had or what you didn't have.
I got glow
You
ball.
could put those in the snow. That would be neat.
Glow ball. I just like the name glow ball.
Those are your cups, Emily.
Cup.
They're your cups
My cups.
to drink out of.
What is this? Pink sugar macaroons. Wait, do I eat this?
What is it? Read it.
It says pink sugar macaroons.
Open it up.
Candle.
Oh, thank you.
This is good.
Thank you, Mom. So these are like gummies.
In the shape of Legos. Those are to clean your face.
Rubber rubbers. And then there's bookmark. Sour orange.
A bookmark for your Bible.
Okay, chocolate.
Emmy!
Jelly beans. These are jelly beans.
Sour jelly beans.
You'll probably like them.
Bookmark.
You got any close-up views?
No. We need to think about her salary. She gets paid too much.
Oh, she was doing that for free. Internship. She was fired.
Always hydrate when you're cooking.
So what are you cooking?
Gumbo.
What's gumbo? Good stuff.
Chicken soup with a roux and no tomatoes or corn.
No tomatoes.
No corn.
No corn. It's not red. So if people are eating gumbo that's red,
Well, I don't know, our Tasso's got,
that ain't a gumbo.
it's got some, it's pretty dark, so it might add a little red.
But
to
not
it.
like tomato sauce red.
We're cheating.
Cheating, yeah, you can make it. But which is all good. But thing.
What?
Taters for the tater salad.
An egg.
And eggs.
Never used that before.
I have, how much you put in?
Like 2 tablespoons so far. Needs more.
Supposed to use like half the jar, I think.
Well, I can't do it all at one time.
Hmm?
I'm not doing it.
Oh, Daddy put the,
Yes, yes, he did.
put feet out for the birds. It's not snowing yet. Not so late tonight.
I'm not gonna go to sleep till it starts snowing.
Well, that'll be early in the morning.
I don't care.
Get you some tater salad. Emily is, I think she's trying it.
Think.
We got the pickiest eaters on the face of the earth. You can see the icicles.
It's best if you mix it together.
I was gonna mix it together anyway.
The wind is a whipping.
Could have made it thicker.
So I didn't finish out the video last night. After Chris made gumbo, we sat down and ate, and then we just kind of got ready for bed and did our Bible study. We had to get everybody a bath just in case the power went out, but lucky for us, the power did not go out. It is Monday, and I'm going to show you what we woke up to this morning. We got a lot of ice last night. Most of this is ice. We did get a little bit of snow this morning. Probably around 9 o'clock it started snowing. And it probably snowed for about an hour and a half off and on. But the wind is still blowing pretty good. We smoked the sausage this morning out in the smoker. Chris and Emily rode the four-wheeler. No, Chris and Nora rode the four-wheeler outside. So this is just kind of out in the backyard. I have not been out, and I don't plan on going out because it's in the 20s, and tonight it's expected to get anywhere from between 7 degrees to like 11 degrees. And there's going to be, I think they said in the morning it's going to feel like possibly -1. Yeah, -1 in Louisiana. That don't happen all that much. So over the next couple days, we're pretty much just going to hunker down. I've not done anything today. Washed a few loads of clothes, but I haven't folded them or anything. We've got plenty of warm stuff to eat because we still have some bacon cheeseburger soup left, a whole pot of chili, and gumbo from last night. But other than that, we're not doing a whole lot. Tomorrow, I'll probably get my house clean. We just got a message that school will be out on Wednesday, but we're supposed to get another round of weather like Wednesday night, Thursday morning with some freezing rain and ice. And they're probably saying that that's going to be worse on the roads than this was. So we didn't lose power. So we'll just say a prayer that on Wednesday night and Thursday morning we don't lose power. So I guess I'll end it here. I hope y'all have a great day. If you're in anywhere in the country right now, it's pretty much cold. So everybody stay warm and we'll see y'all later.